Gone! First ball, he's done it again. Jacob Duffy can't keep out of the wickets, and it's Nasanka who's gone. Very similar modes of dismissal.
Nasanka gone for 37. It's a big blow as far as Sri Lanka are concerned. Bowls him, knocks him over. The danger man Pereira. Oh, he's so good. First ball of a spell, isn't he, Duffy? Bang, bang.
The dangerous Kusal Pereira who has to go.
First ball of an over. Just keep it out. Surely that's got to be the plan. That is quite remarkable. This is straight up cloth, and it should be out. Yeah, comfortably taken by Mitchell Santner. He never puts those down. Duffy chipping away now at the Sri Lankan lower order.
Tikshana goes for 0. Sri Lanka 136.
Meekly.
Sri Lanka lost 7 for 4.